guys unboxing today. I'm so excited. I've got 2 boxes here, so if you guys are interested, please stay tuned. And also, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I am trying to hit 2,000 subscribers by the end of January. That would be so awesome if I could hit that. So please help me out, you guys. Please subscribe and give me a thumbs up every time you watch my video, and leave a comment below. I would be glad to answer any questions, or if you guys just want to say hey, you know, that would be nice. So anyways, without further ado, you guys, I have 2 unboxings. Like I said, they are from Louis Vuitton, and they are the brand new Christmas animation. So I'm so excited. And one of them came in this little box. I did order it from the Louis Vuitton website, and this is one of the small ones I got. Can you guys guess what this one is? I can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, you guys, I got this cute piece here for my bag. I was thinking about using this on my, God, what bag is that? Well, on my Alma Damia bin, and I have my South Bank, which would look good with this, and my, I can't remember what the other bag is called, but it's big like my Neverfull. So look how cute that is. It is pink in the back, which I think is so cute. It says Vuitton right here. It is made in France. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. The pink ballerine is so beautiful. I love Vivian also. I think this is such a pretty piece. And the hardware is just so pretty, you guys. Louis Vuitton just does such a good job with details on their hardware, which I love. You can see that it says Louis Vuitton here. I don't know, actually, I don't know if you can see it. The lighting does have some reflections. And even this part here, I can see it say Louis Vuitton right there. So I thought that was cute. So that's my first. I am so excited. And then my next box here, this is a piece that I don't have at all. And I'm not just talking about because it's a Christmas animation, but I don't have it. And I've been wanting something like this. So I'm hoping that I will like it, and I thought it being a Christmas animation that I would even love it more. So here it goes. I'm so excited, you guys. Oh my goodness. Can you guys guess? Can you guys guess what I got? Okay, probably not, because I don't think I brought it up, but to a couple of people on YouTube, my subscribers, friends, because they had something like this. Oh my goodness, look at that. So this is the pochette. What is this one called? Well, it's the pochette double zip pouch. It is so pretty. On the inside, oh, it's microfiber lining on the inside. Okay, and here is the pretty chain. What I like about the chain is that I can use it on other bags. So I'm excited about the chain, actually. I did buy a chain off of Amazon for my pochettes, accessoires. So I have that, but this one seems so much cuter. It says Louis Vuitton on the chain. I like the lobster clasp on there as well. And you can see the Louis Vuitton symbol there as well. So I thought that was really pretty. This thing, I never realized that it had microfiber on the inside. I don't know if they all do. Let me know if you guys have one of these bags and if they're usually microfiber on the inside. I was hoping that it was more of the leather, but I think this is so pretty. I've been wanting something small from Louis Vuitton. I do have a few things like the hat box. I don't know what it's called. I can't remember, but this piece is just so pretty. Let me see what it looks like on me. Let me scoot back. Ooh, that's really cute. I love where it sits. Actually, I like my bags to hit here. I don't know if you guys would like that. I just like just where it hits here, but I don't mind this either. So this is super, super cute. So you can do it crossbody, I guess like this. And then you can carry obviously like a clutch, which I do that once in a while with some of my bags. But this is super pretty. I love the fact that there's one pocket here, another one here, and then you don't have to carry a wallet. You can just use this here to hold your credit cards. And love this pocket here because I am going to just put my phone in here. Let's see if it fits. Okay, my phone fits, thank goodness. Because if it didn't fit, I would have to take the case off, and I hate taking my case off because I did crack my phone, you guys. It is all cracked and I'm so upset. I've never had a cracked phone like this. But anyway, so my phone does fit in here, so I do like that. So right now, as you guys know, and I mentioned on my Instagram, I've been carrying this beauty constantly. I have been carrying this bag ever since I've gotten it. And I just can't seem to put it down. I'm so excited. I've had a couple of people ask me where I got this pom-pom. This pom-pom is from Lindy. So she has her own YouTube channel. I'll put the name of her channel down below and also her website so you guys can check that out. But it's very, very beautiful. This is real crystal here, and all her hardware is dipped in gold, and it's just beautiful and luxurious, and I do love it. It's very girly. I do want to order another piece, so I thought that was really pretty. But lately I've been carrying this bag. It's going to be hard for me to put this piece down. It's just such a pretty piece. Look at the rainbow in the back. I wish the rainbow in the back was in the front, but to tell you the truth, I'm still happy with it because I definitely love it. And it's a different type of bag, or a different bag than what I normally would have. And this here, I think I'm going to go ahead and switch out of it and see how I like this. This is more casual, which I do love. But you guys, I've been carrying this with everything, even with what I'm wearing today. Whether, you know, I just throw it on. I don't worry about what I'm wearing. I just want to make sure it matches. But this piece here, I feel like it'll go with a lot more of my casual wear. And let me see what fits in this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove everything out of here, and I'm going to take off my little pom-pom here, and I think I'm going to go ahead and attach it to this piece. Oh, it looks so cute. And I am going to put my cards and everything in my little Louis Vuitton here. I am really, really, really excited. Okay, so I got my pom-pom on here. I don't know if I'm going to put the pom-pom on here. So I'm going to put my cards. See how that looks. My credit cards into my little bag. Okay, so I got my cards there, my driver's license. I'm going to put my phone in here. I'm going to put my cash. I'm trying to see what fits. I don't think I have everything here where I can see what fits. My cash in the front here, or in the back where the cards are. Put that in here. Okay. I'm going to, I have a pen I'm going to stick in here, a lipstick. I think I'm only going to put one lipstick because I have two in my Chanel. So I'll just keep that there. Got to put my car keys in there, and I got this little pearl thing that I made myself. So I can use this in my smaller purses. So there we go. Sometimes I hang the pearl out just like this, which I thought was cute. And let's see, I've got a concealer. Now everything that I'm carrying in my Chanel does not have to go into this pochette. Okay, so I got a little perfume. I got another little lipstick. You know what? I'm going to take the bigger lipstick out, and then I've got Listerine mint things that you put on your tongue. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my little lipstick in here, take out my bigger one, and I've got some Tylenol and Advil, and I'm gonna stick that in there. Okay, let's see how that looks. Oop, it looks a little bulky here. Look at this. So this is what it looks like right now. So I've got everything in here that I possibly could need. Let me go ahead and move my keys to the back so the bulk is more to the back. There we go. Okay, that may look better. And voila. Let's see. Because I hate these key fobs. Okay, that looks so much cuter. So everything from my Chanel wallet on chain, well, not everything. These are left out. So these were also in my Chanel wallet on chain. And also my business cards and a little wipey was in my Chanel, and then a hair tie. So I'm gonna stick my hair tie in here also. Let me stick my little wipey and then put my business cards in there. You guys, I have everything in there except these two items from my Chanel walk in here, and it looks so cute, you guys. It's perfect. I love it. Love it, and it fits, and it looks cute and adorable. It's carefree. I just have to watch what I'm doing so I don't rub this against the wall because I don't want anything to happen to it. And if I don't want to use it with the picture, I can always flip it around like this and wear it this way. I also love it because it has this beautiful pink trim here, which I love. Oh my goodness, everything about this bag is just so pretty. So look at that. And I can also put my straps from my other bags on here, my leather straps. So that would be really nice as well. So, oh God, you guys, what do you think? What do you think about my brand new bags? I got these two from the Christmas animation. I am so excited. Look at that. Love it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, you guys. I am so excited about this piece. Don't forget to subscribe. Also like my videos, okay? So you guys, and also click on the bell so you can get notifications every time when I upload my video. So you'll be notified. That's what I want. I want you guys to get notified so you guys can see this. I am starting to ramble on, you guys. So you guys have a wonderful day and take care, and I will see you guys next time.